Okay, so today we are going to be looking at the Innovv P1 tire inflator. I was sent this product from a company. I will put their full website in the description so you can check out, see if you would like to have one for yourself. I like the packaging already. Very nice, very organized. You got some stickers there. I like stickers. All right, here goes a fully colored instruction manual. Very cool. Let's see here. Oh wow, this is very nice. This looks nice and heavy, high end. Let's power it up here. Oh, nice big display. Let's see if we can toggle through. Okay, here's PSI right here. And there's bar also. Very important too for overseas. Let's see here. This must be the airline here. Yes. Oh wow. All right, so here is the charging cord, and it even comes with some attachments like for your football or your soccer ball or something. Very nice. Let's get this screwed on here. It does have a full charge, so we can demonstrate it right away. Very cool. There we are. Go ahead and hand tighten that up. Okay, let's take it over to a tire and see how we're doing. It even comes with a convenient little storage bag. Yes, very nice. Oh, forgot to mention that it comes with an LED light. Oh, and a hazard flasher. Very cool. I like it. It's an SOS. Oh, it looks like it's also a power bank. Yeah, you can charge your cell phone with it. Yeah. Okay, let's inflate a tire real quick. I'll tell you something right off the bat that I really like is I really like the quick connect on there. I really like that. Sometimes some of them have that screw on type, and it when you're on the side of the road or something like that, it's very convenient if you can get in and out of the situation. You go ahead and there you go. PSI there. I'm going to go to 12 pounds. Okay. Nice. All right, let's go fill something else up. Something a little bigger than just this little tire here. Very good. All right. Okay, let me just demonstrate here. See how it has like a little basketball here? That's when you can go to the lower settings, kind of like your smaller things in the shop. So I go like to 12 pounds right there. And then you toggle. See, now here is going to be to 45 pounds there, and so on. Very convenient. Here I have my old snap-on football. As you can see, it's been a while since that thing has been inflated. But of course you have your needle here. Stick it in there. Okay. All right. Now, go ahead and toggle through my settings. As you can see, there goes my very cool. Let me get a couple more PSI out of there. Let's see. Maybe let's do 3 more PSI, 4 more. Maybe 1 more. Oh, it's getting there. There you go. All right. Nice. Yeah, I can use this around the shop. Stores very conveniently in your glove box. Yeah, this one right here is pretty low. Very nice. I love that quick disconnect on there. What a nice little product. Well, if you like what you've seen today, I will put the link down in the description. And yeah, you can pick one up for yourself. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. How about now?